Let's look at the names of the flat. These black keys, okay? All these black keys can take the name of flats. You can name them in terms of flats, depending on the direction of the pitch. For example, if this is home, C, this is the key of C natural, D natural, okay? Take consideration. We are moving to the left side. It means we are flatting, we are lowering the pitch. From this key, I can lower the pitch to this black key. So if this is D natural, this key becomes D flatted, D flattened, D natural. This is D flat. This key is called D flat. Remember, when we are ascending, we came from C. And when we reached this point, it became C sharp. Now that we are coming from D natural and moving to the lower side of the pitch, we are flatting. This becomes D flat. So C is sharpened to this point and D is flatted to the same point. So this key has got two names. It's either C sharp or D flat. All right? So the same thing. Look at this black key. This black key is either D sharpened, or E flatted. E is flatted to that point. D is sharpened to that point. E is flatted to this point. So this key can either be called D sharp or E flat. You can either call it D sharp or E flat. You can see that. So this is the key of F. I hope you can see that clearly. F is the white that comes before the groups of three blacks. Right here, you can see the group of three blacks. The key that comes before them is F. You can verify that by coming from home. This is C. That's home. You remember that. Home, 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 home. This is C, natural, D natural, E natural, F natural. Okay, F sharp. F is sharpened to this point. When you raise the pitch from F and it becomes F sharp. F natural, C, D, E, F, G. G is flatted to this point. So this key is either F sharp or G flat. So it can be either F sharp or G flat. Same theory applies to this. Which key is this? Look at this. C, D, E, F, G. G sharp. This is G sharp. G is sharpened. G, A. A is flatted to this point. So this key is either called G sharp or A flat. And the same applies to this. If this is A, that means this is A sharp. A natural. Let me come from C, from home. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Right? If this is B natural, then this becomes B flat. So what was initially A sharp is now B flat. You see that? The direction of movements. So what we're saying is